Downloading data from Revolut is a straightforward process that allows you to access your financial information. Follow these steps to successfully download your data. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account with your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the Profile section. Tap on the profile icon or the More option at the bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access data export options. Scroll down and look for the Data Export or Export option in the Settings menu. Select it to view the available data download options. Step 4. Choose your data type. Select the type of data you wish to download, such as transaction history, account statements, or other financial records. You may also choose the date range for the data you want to export. Step 5. Download the data. After selecting your preferences, tap on the Download button. The data will be processed, and you will receive a notification once it is ready. Follow the instructions to save the file to your device. Now you can easily access and manage your financial data from Revolut.